In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in the Temu app. Whether you're traveling abroad or simply need to view prices in a different currency, updating your settings in the Temu app is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. To begin, open the Temu app on your device or navigate to the website at temu.com. This is essential because you'll need to be in the app or on the site to make any changes. Once you're on the platform, look for the Sign in Register option and click on it. This will allow you to either log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. You'll want to be sure you're logged into your account because these changes need to be made under your personal settings. After signing in, head over to your profile. Here, you'll be able to customize various account settings, including language and currency preferences. Once you're in your profile section, look for the option labeled Country, Region, Language. Select this to proceed. It's within this menu that you'll be able to choose a different country for your profile settings, which will directly influence the currency display. At this point, you'll want to click on your selected country. This is important as it will align your account settings with the local currency of the chosen country. If you're traveling to a different location or need to see prices in another currency for your studies or work, selecting the appropriate country is crucial. Now, after choosing your new country, ensure you click on Switch to that country. This step, albeit simple, is vital to confirming that you want your entire interface, including the currency, to reflect the selection you've made. It's a straightforward confirmation but necessary to finalize your choice. To complete the process, you'll be prompted once again to enter your login details. This security measure ensures that the changes are authorized and that your account remains secure. After confirming your identity, the app will then update the currency settings according to your selected country. Changing the currency in the Temu app effectively allows you to view and purchase items using the most relevant currency, streamlining the shopping experience for international users. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your currency settings in the Temu app. Now, whenever you're shopping or browsing, prices will automatically display in your selected currency, making it easier to budget and compare prices as you go. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your apps and technology. See you in the next video.